Hello, Sugar Plums. It's Evelyn, and the channel is Planning Day Eve, where I like to share with you what I'm learning, my silly, and usually a lot of planner things. So today we are going through something planner related. This is an unboxing of the Keep Blooming Be Happy box by the Happy Planner. Thank you guys at the Happy Planner team for sending it to me. Let's get into it. The only thing I've done so far is taking off my shipping label, and I've cut the sides, so I didn't want you guys to hear that good down the middle rip of the box, because I know some of us just like that. I'm gonna cut through here, get us started, and let's open it up. So first I'm seeing some pretty tissue with some florals. If you're a floral girl, you just passed out. She's a wildflower. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so this box looks like we might be opening this one different. Let's see what we can get in the screen. Oh my word. So I'm just going to cut around, because you guys who've seen any of my other unboxings know that me and the stickers, they don't come off easy for me, or I'm not good at it. So let's see. It looks like there's something to keep it in place. Oh my word. Looky looky. Bloom bundle. Oh yeah. Guys. Okay, so you get a floral sticker storage box. Yes. Let's read it. Hello, spring. Warm weather is just around the corner, so let's bring out the bright florals and beautiful blooms. Everything in this bundle is perfect for spring planning. We hope you're inspired to live colorfully and grow a happy life. Yes, 2 20-sheet sticker books, 2 30-sheet sticker books. Guys, shout out to Patricia. You know who you are if you happen to see this video. I think she shared this gardening book, and I was like, where am I gonna find that? Gardening 1. And like, look at this. There's like this clear plastic to keep the stickers all in a nice pretty line. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Why am I gushing over the packaging? I don't know. It's the little things for me, guys. Okay, and that was in there good to kind of help keep it in there. Ooh, you could probably even use this to stage your sticker somewhere. Okay, so there is gardening 1. Yes, your girl will do a separate sticker flip through for you. That girl being me. Gardening 2. Detailed florals and flowers, which I think some of us might own that. And then you get a sticker storage box that has flowers on it. And let me tell you, I'm excited about this because this matches my other sticker storage. So yes, if you're not aware of the sticker storage, let me just quickly recap it for you. It holds about 21 value pack stickers. Along with it, let me show you on the back, you have some labels to label the older books that don't have the titles of your sticker books on it. The newer sticker books have titles on the top. And it easily assembles. It assembles so simply. And of course, you can utilize it to put more than just stickers. If you want to use any of your desk tools for it, you definitely can do that. So that is sticker book storage from the Happy Planner. Guys, and then let's talk about this tissue paper. If you have not seen, if you're not usually on Facebook, I would say maybe join the Facebook Happy Planner group, because you will see some really creative ideas of what people have done with the tissue paper from their Be Happy boxes. And this is one that I'm going to do something with. I keep the paper from each one, but I'm loving these blooms. It's so pretty. So I'm going to do something with this. In the comments down below, let me know if you've done something with your sticker paper. Your tissue paper that you would like to talk about. I would love to hear about it. Love some ideas. And definitely look for the description box. There are details on when this box is coming out. If there's any code, will all be in the description box of this video. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and unboxing this Be Happy box with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, enjoy your planning time just as much as little children enjoy Christmas Eve. Bye.